Okay. So there are two types of dating methods. One is absolute or chronometric dating methods, which gives exact or approximate date of any artifact, antiquarian remain, okay, and relative dating method. Okay, relative dating method, it gives, you can say, relative age in respect to other artifacts, other remains. ठीक है, absolute नहीं दे सकता है. In this side we have, you can say, radiometric methods like carbon 14, है ना, potassium argon, you can say dendrochronology, we have thermoluminescence, last year in crash course I have covered thermoluminescence too, and it was there in the paper also, right. So in relative we have stratigraphy, okay, we have seriation. Do you know that on seriation, seriation means, say, any you can say artifact, any particular tool, it start emerging at one time, then it increase in frequency and then it goes down in frequency. That is what seriation is, right. So seriation basically deals with the frequency of occurrence of any particular artifact. मतलब जैसे कि अगर बहुत सारी layers हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6, normally it is done with stratigraphy, ठीक है. So basically in this phase, say 1 or 2 hand axes are found, right. So slowly it increase, यहाँ पे 6-7 मिल रहा है suppose, ठीक है, and in the third one it reaches up to say 15 axis, okay, and then slowly it goes down, यहाँ पे 6, यहाँ पे 2 और यहाँ पे मिल ही नहीं रहा. So basically that is seriation, right. So seriation tries to understand the, you can say, increase and then decrease of, you can say, number of items found in different layers. So it is also tries to understand that, it says that at this time it was at the peak, ठीक है. So ये कब शुरू हुआ होगा, यहाँ से शुरू हुआ होगा, in this layer जो इसमें मिल रहा होगा, that was the oldest one, okay, that was the youngest one, इस तरह से. So it can be seen like this, ठीक है. First you can say शुरुआत, then increase and then decrease, ठीक है. ओके, सीरिएशन के ऊपर मैं जो बताना चाह रहा था, दैट इज, यू कैन से ऑल ऑफ यू नो, राइट, मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो दिस थिंग, बट एल्फ्रेड क्रोबर, माय पर्पज ऑफ bringing this discussion towards seriation is Alfred Kroeber. See, all of you know that Alfred Kroeber was an American anthropologist, student of Franz Boas, who is associated with the concept of